Hello friends! Today we want to show you how you can connect the system to your car without installation. It takes 2 minutes, and after that, you can always listen to how the system works, and it will be easier for you to make a decision about purchasing this system. Well, firstly, we have 4 connectors for wiring. The first is the Diagnostic Connector. The second connector that we connect to the module. And 2 connectors that we connect to the emitters. All this is standard, up to 1 click, and takes a couple of minutes. And now I will show you how it works. So, what is needed to turn on the system? We take 2 emitters and place them under the car, in the area of the rear bumper. Second, we take the wiring and connect it to our study emitters. Then we take our electronic module and connect it to this connector. The next step is to connect the diagnostic connector to the car. Finally, we start the car. Launch the app on the phone and turn on the sound. The system works. I want to say that you do not need to additionally go into the Bluetooth settings, look for our module, and connect to it. When the module starts up, the system automatically connects to the phone, and you do not need to do anything for this.